Rasor SW12 Monster is an electrical single-phase bench cutter for textile, technical textiles, and composite material up to 40 millimeters thickness, even with multi-layer. An LED indicator switch shows the connection to the power supply. An auto-stop safety switch and toolless variable finger protection fulfill highest standards of safety. With the half-automatic sharpening device, the blades can be reconditioned in between less than 10 seconds without dismantling. The motor housing is held by a central foot fitted behind the blade in central position. This system spreads the shearing stress and the necessary stress to move the machine through the fabrics on both sides of the cutter, and cut is so done perfectly straight and smooth. The knife is half-free on both sides to avoid winding problems even with tough fibers. The cutting edge is clean and comfortable for further processing at your place of work. The Rasor SW12M is especially suitable to cut composite materials like glass fiber, carbon fiber, Kevlar, or any soft material up to 50 millimeters thickness. The impressive 350-watt motor, combined with a bronze steel coupling gear, create a very high torque, which, combined with the slow RPM of the knife, allow to cut even rubber materials and plastic-based material in the field of carpets and industrial flooring. Blades in HSS steel and full hard metal quality with different shapes convert the Rasor SW12M into the best professional bench cutting machine for high thickness and composite materials. The delivery contains the SW12M, an extra blade, accessories, and the CE declaration with QR code for technical documentation download. The use of the steel protective glove is mandatory. Contact us for further information.